Afternoon guys, quick little video today. It's mail day again. I've got a lovely package that's just come in from bloody Slot Car Hub. It's done the rounds, it's gone to his brother and a few other places, and it's eventually got its way all the way up here to sunny Darwin. I've got a new fly slot car to unbox, wicked. I'm going to throw in another code word for the next giveaway. So thanks if you do watch all my other videos, that's amazing. But I'm going to keep the giveaway codes to slot car videos. So if you see one of my other videos, don't stress. There's not going to be any code words there for the giveaways, you know, unless I state that it's an overall giveaway. But so far, it's all been slot car related stuff. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, welcome. Tony Droney's the channel name. I'm Tony, live up here in sunny Darwin. I've got the sprinklers going, it's dry season, it's all happening. The dogs are having fun. The missus is on her way home from work. It's been a hectic day, all my pools are cleaned. I do pool cleaning as a business. But let's get down on the bench, guys. We've got some goodies. So also guys, I've changed the layout because we've got a lovely on-road car to unbox today. I've taken out all the off-road stuff and gone back to straight bitumen. Easy changeover, took me about 20 minutes, half hour. So very similar. Original layout pretty much here as usual, but as you come down that back straight, flog it down the back straight here, similar to the off-road layout, little zigzag and around, put some borders in. This is a tricky little kink here you've got to be real careful with. Down through here, and then I've added the lovely Scalextric skinny Scalextric, I think it is, no, SCX, the SCX chicane. So you've got the little Ninco adapter piece that slots down into the Scalextric chicane and then back to an adapter piece and back to Ninco. So we've got a little bit of a Frankenstein track still. Alrighty guys, so back down here on the bench, wicked day, got mail day coming in here, lovely box from Shane Hub. So if you haven't checked out his channel, he's a killer, he's the guru in Australia really, Shane Hub. Information on all brands, great tuning videos, highly recommend checking out his channel. You probably already have. Anyway, carry on. One thing guys, I had a big issue with this NSR gear kit. I bought specifically for this brand new Ninco Mosler. Took it all apart, nothing fits. So this is a all legit Ninco angle winder. None of the axles on the Ninco were way bigger than what was provided in the package. I tried boring them out and stuff, but I've made a mess of it and I'm sure it's a little bit off kilter, so there's no point putting it on the car. Anyway, and then you'd have to bore out the pinion and bore out everything, so it's just a mess, so best not even to fit it. So if you've got any recommendations to quieten down these Nincos, let me know in the comments guys, because that NSR kit, part number 6704 was no help. Let me know in the comments if I've done something wrong, but the axles on the Ninco were about 1 millimetre way too big. So none of the pinions or the gears would fit. Let's get to the package. Let's focus the camera down. I've done a pre-cut. I have not peeked. As you go, here we go. Now I seen a little sneak peek of this on bloody Dave's channel, and you can see by his face, he's oh, not meant to show that. So he quickly put it away. So yeah, wicked, got some, get that packaging out of the way. Little envelope with Tony Droney on it. Awesome. Oh, finally I'll get some lollies. What are these ones? Moem stripes. There we go guys. Nice and chewy, I can't wait to get into them. I love my lollies. Oh, wicked. Magnetic racing stickers. One will go on the wall. Thank you guys, Doug and Ian. And I forget the other guy's name. Sorry, man. Mind blank while I'm having a video. Wicked magnetic racing. Oh, dudes. Dudes have done me a custom Ninko sign, man. It's all crossed out. So it used to be the NSR sign. Oh my God, guys. Doug and Ian, you're legends, man. So I've got a custom Ninko sign to do up. So it's going to be very similar to the NSR sign, which is a very similar colour. Oh, what have I got here? Double. Oh, more lollies. Different flavour. Looks like mandarin or orange. Are you serious? I've got two. I've got two custom magnetic racing Ninko signs, guys. I don't even know if these are available to the public. Maybe they are upon special request because they've already done one. But guys, if you want one, reach out to Doug and Ian at Magnetic Racing and they'll do up a custom Ninko sign. Wicked! Oh, two Tony Droney, Ian, Doug, Tim figurines. Are you serious? I thought I missed out, eh? Everyone around the world got some figurines. But I suppose I do probably live the furthest away from a lot of people. Making a mess of that. Oh, more Chewits. I've got the Ridge Didge Chewits. Man, you guys don't realise how long I've been hanging out. Try one of these. I see everyone that gets it. I'm like, oh, I want to try those lollies. Oh, cool dudes. Looks like I've got some painting to do. Let's get those out of the packet. And more Magnetic Racing stickers, guys. Awesome. So we've got Ian carrying the keg. Dougie, sorry, oh bloody hell, I'm all confused. There's Dougie, sitting down. And what's that one? What's he holding? Oh, a car, holding a car. Awesome, guys. Thank you very much. Much appreciated, guys. You've made my day. Custom Ninko signs with figurines to paint up. Dudes, I'm blown away. Thank you very much. So, the code word for today's video is, drum roll, code word is PlayStation. So drop that code word in the comments, guys. PlayStation. Sony PlayStation, but PlayStation, got to write PlayStation. And please subscribe, like, all that sort of stuff. And you're in the running to win a custom James Courtney hat, Snorri Rivers Racing V8 Supercars hat that I got, and a stubby cooler, of all the V8 Supercar races around Australia. So I got that this year, a couple of months in June, when the V8 Supercars come here to Australia once a year. Awesome event up here in Darwin at a racetrack here in Darwin. It's called Hidden Valley Raceway, if you want to look it up online. Let me put them over there. So, code word, guys, PlayStation. And that is the segue over to today's wicked brand new car. Sorry, we're doing late afternoon reviews here, guys. So it's the sun's coming in. So it's a limited edition. I've got number 171. That's sick. Love it. So it's a Viper, a Dodge Viper GTS-R, 10th anniversary, 2010. Okay. Sick. I see there's a lot of cars with the PlayStation livery, so I'm going to have to start collecting them, I think, because I'm a gaming nut. So anything with a gaming related livery on it, I'm all in. Oh, okay. So this one's front engine. Front engine, rear wheel drive. Rear wheel drive front engine. So there's a shaft coming here because these are independent. There's not even a axle. So these are independent on the front. And a front motor down shaft to the wheel. Wow. Now I thought there was chunks out of the wheel. I thought, hang on a minute, there's chunks out of the wheel, but that's the pattern. I don't know if that's coming up on camera or doing it justice, but you see there's a slight little chunk pattern in the tyre. That's pretty cool. And what are the tyres badged? Dunlops. Dunlop tyres. Oh my God, guys. I haven't got the turntable out today, but a Dodge Viper Fly Slot limited edition. Lovely detail there. The driver inside with a lovely red helmet. Black gloves. Sick, man. number 55. Guys, let's get that on the track very soon. Interesting to see how this performs actually with the front motor at the front. Gives it that little bit of weight. Hopefully a little bit tail happy in the back. Wicked! Oh man, I'm on a high. So let's set up the camera. We do some laps on this new layout. This is meant to be a quick video, Tony. Jesus. Let's bind up a controller. Alrighty, bound up. Let's do a test lap. Test laps with the little Pioneer Legend. I think to do this new layout justice, I might go manual. Let's see if I can do it justice. Makes a weird noise going down that SCX chicane. That's cool, it's a big layout now. So your track's running all right. One more lap, then we'll get the Dodge Viper on. Oh, I like that little chicane, that's cool. All right. Put the little Pioneer Legend over there. Oh my goodness. That is some slot car eye candy there, guys. That is really nice. Yellow headlights, I like that. Classic style of rim. The afternoon sun is just doing that justice, I reckon. That looks lovely. All right, front engine, guys. Let's see. Oh, different noise. It's got the fly slot noise. Oh, a little bit jittery. I didn't even touch the braids. Hang on. Let me go spray the braids with a little bit of oil. Yeah, so it's a big long straight up the back there. A little technical section there. I'm pretty happy with that. There's a real rush job of trying to just get out that rally track and set up for this video this afternoon, you know, but I'm pretty impressed with that. That flows nicely. Little technical section there into that chicane, back out into the S's. Man, that is a nice car. That handles lovely. There's a full belt down the back. What have I got the track set on today? 11.1. Let me just belt that along a bit, a little bit of a sticky spot. Wow, that's cool. So yeah, just a reminder guys, code word today, PlayStation. Man, that's a sick car. Let's have a look from the long distance at the track. Man, that's good. That's a good ripper. One more lap. Oh, a little fishy out then. Shame it doesn't have headlights going. Guys, look at that. Wow, thanks guys. If you hung around this long, you're legends. Much appreciated. Like, subscribe, share, all that jargon. Tick the boxes, help the channel grow. Thanks guys, really appreciate it. See you next vid. Bye-bye.